welcome. Today we will be learning solving equations with quadratic formula. Let a, b, and c be real numbers such that a is not equal to 0. The solutions of the quadratic equation ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0 are x equals minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now, a is the coefficient in front of x squared, or in other words, a is always a number in front of x squared. And b is the coefficient in front of x, or b is always a number in front of x. And c is a number with no x terms, or it's a constant number. Remember that before you apply the quadratic formula to a quadratic equation, you must write the equation in standard form, that is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Let's solve the first example, that is 2x squared plus x equals 5. First, we need to set the equation equals to 0, or write the equation in a standard form. So 2x squared plus x, subtracting 5 from both sides, 5 minus 5 cancels out. We are left with 2x squared plus x minus 5 equals 0. Now this 2, which is the coefficient of x squared, so a equals 2. The coefficient of x is 1, so b equals 1, and c equals minus 5. Now the quadratic formula is x equals minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Let's plug in a, b, and c in the quadratic formula. So x equals minus 1 plus minus square root of the value of b. Now b is 1, so 1 square minus 4. A equals 2, so 2 goes there, and c is minus 5. So let's put them on the same color. Minus 5 divided by 2, a equals 2. So x equals 1 plus minus square root of 1 square minus 4 times 2 times minus 5 divided by 2 times 2 equals -1 plus minus. Now the square of 1 is 1, so 1 minus 4 times 2 is 8, and 8 times 5 is 40, and since there is a minus sign, so minus 40, and this minus will be plus 40. So plus 40 divided by 2 times 2 is 4, so 2 times 2 equals 4, so that is 4, equals -1 plus minus square root of 40, and 1 will be 41 divided by 4. Now square root of 41 can be simplified more, so the solutions of this equation will be x equals -1 plus square root of 41 divided by 4, and the other solution is x equals -1 minus square root 41 divided by 4. So those are two solutions of this quadratic equation. Now let's work on the next example. And the next example is x squared minus x equals 5x minus 9. Now first we need to write this equation in a standard form. That means we need to set this equation equals to 0. For that purpose, we need to remove 5x and minus 9 from the left side of the equation. So to get rid of 5x minus 9, first we need to subtract 5x from each side of the equation. So x squared minus x minus 5x equals 5x minus 5x minus 9. 5x and minus 5x cancels out, so we are left with x squared minus x. Now minus x and minus x, those two are like terms, so if they are like terms, it's mean that this minus x and this minus 5x will be minus 6x equals minus 9. Now to get rid of this minus 9, we need to add plus 9 to each side. So x squared minus 6x plus 9 equals minus 9 plus 9. So minus 9 and plus 9 cancels out, and x squared minus 6x plus 9 equals 0 is the standard form of the given equation. Now the coefficient of x squared is 1, so a equals 1. The coefficient of x is -6, so b equals -6, and c is the number without any x variable, so c equals 9. So the quadratic formula is x equals minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Let's plug in the values of a, b, and c in the quadratic formula. So x equals 6 plus minus square root minus 6 squared minus 4 times 1 times 9 divided by 2 times 1. That is equal to 6 plus minus. Now minus this 6. The square of -6 is 36. And minus goes there. Now 4 times 9 is 36 divided by 2 times 1 is 2. So 36 minus 36 cancels out. So we're left with 6 plus minus square root of 0 divided by 2, and square root of 0 will be 1. So equals, sorry, I said square root of 0 will be 1. It's actually square root of 0 is going to be 0. So 6 divided by 2, which is equal to 2 times 3. So 3. So the solution of this equation will be x equals 3.